Good day class. So pag-aaralan po natin ngayon is about one-to-one function, specifically representing real-life situations using rational functions. So let's start with the definition. So the function f is one-to-one if for any x sub 1 and x sub 2 in the domain of f, then the function of x sub 1 is not equal to the function of x sub 2. That is the same y value is never paired with two different x values. So basically, when you say one-to-one, one value of x corresponds to exactly one value of y. So this is a graph or mapping graph para to represent the definition of the one-to-one function. So again, one value of the domain is equivalent to one value of range. Kaya siya tinawag na one-to-one. So example, determine whether the given relation is a function. If it is a function, determine whether it is one-to-one. Example 1, the relation pairing a student to his or her LRN or the learner's reference number. We all know that one student has one LRN. So the other student also have one LRN. And another student will have one LRN. So basically, each student has a unique LRN. Thus, the relation is a function. It is a function. Since no two different students has the same LRN, the function is what we call one-to-one. Since one student is equivalent to one LRN. Example 2. The relation pairing a real number to its square. So let's say I have these numbers. So from negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. If I square them or I multiply them to themselves, I'll be having 0, 1, and 4. Because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 times 2 is 4. So what is the meaning of this diagram? Each real number has a unique square because the relation is a function. However, there are some real numbers like negative 2 and positive 2 which have the same square na ang sagot ay positive 4. Therefore, the function is not one-to-one. How about the graph of a one-to-one function? So there are two tests to determine if the graph is a one-to-one function. First is the horizontal line test. A function is one-to-one for each horizontal line does not intersect the graph of more than one point. So assume you have a horizontal line. So that horizontal line should not touch more than one point dun sa iyong graph. And the vertical line and the horizontal line test. So we all know that all functions satisfy the vertical line test. All one-to-one functions satisfy both the vertical and the horizontal line test. So let's have some example. So I have here the y is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is the vertical line test. So if this line intersects more than one, therefore the graph is not a function. So let's see. Since it does not touches more than one point dun sa ating graph, so it's a function. How about the horizontal line test? So this is your horizontal line test. So let us try if it touches more than one point here in our graph. So again, it doesn't touch more than one point. So therefore, the function y equals 2x minus 1 is a one-to-one function. How about the function y is equal to 2x plus 3 over x? So again, you have your vertical line. So test kung it will touch more than one point dito sa ating graph. No. How about the horizontal line test? So let's see. Again, it doesn't touch more than one point dito sa ating graph. So therefore, the function y is equal to 2x plus 3 over x is a one-to-one function. How about the function y is equal to x squared minus 4? Let's try the horizontal line test. Again, it does not touch more than 1 point ito sa ating graph. So, how about the horizontal line test? So, the earlier is a vertical line test. For the horizontal line test, on every part of the graph, it touches 2 points. So, therefore, the graph is not a one-to-one function.